I have to raise a glass here to the Martini book by Sally Ann Berk, a spirited cocktail guide that's part recipe compendium and part bartender's best friend. This isn't just another list of drinks, it's a deep dive into one of the most iconic cocktails of all time, starting with the classic dry martini and stretching into over 200 creative variations that invite you to experiment beyond the ordinary. You'll find everything from quintessential gin and vodka martinis to playful twists like ginger, fruit infused, and seasonal versions, all laid out with clear instructions and enticing images that make the drink making process feel exciting, not intimidating. And what makes this book genuinely useful, especially for a home bartender, is how it blends craft fundamentals with creativity. So, alongside the recipes, you get practical tips on essential tools, the difference between shaking and stirring, choosing vermouth and spirits, and assembling your own martini bar at home. It reads like a seasoned bartender walking you through their thought process, the kind of guidance that turns a good drink into a great one. This book is obviously a must for martini lovers, whether you make them or just want to learn more about them. I reckon it would also make a superb gift. Recommend.